Next question comes from Sean Crawford, directed first to Senator Dillard.
All of you have indicated plans to cut spending if elected, and that's a good soundbite, but I haven't heard a lot of details from at least most of you. Could you specifically tell us where you would target in the state's budget and how much those cuts would amount to in real, actual dollars?
Well, I think the answer is obviously is to cut spending and to limit the growth of spending, which is outrageous. Freeze the head count, eliminate member initiative money, certainly most of the member initiative money, which I think is just plain pork, and we can't afford it. Streamline procurement, which can save somewhere upwards of about $500 million. We have to do some of the reforms that all of the groups, the Civic Committee of the Commercial Club and others, have recommended that we reform the way we provide Medicaid. We need to move more patients into managed care. That will save us a lot of money, over $1 billion. We need to reform how we provide health care to retirees and state employees, which can save us over $1 billion, according to most of these organizations. We have to reform our pension system, which is unsustainable. We have the Cadillac model. We can't afford that. We need to move probably from a defined benefit plan to a defined contribution plan or some modification. But the current plan is unsustainable. There are real world consequences when you do this binge spending. There are lots of ways to save money. Our campaign has looked at all the reports. There are 155 reasonable recommendations on how to cut spending. 155. I want an efficiency panel like the Grace Commission that Reagan had that can cut $3 to $5 billion out of our state spending.